So, we are in the end game now. I've taught you just about everything related to sound design that I know for game development in our sound engineering playlist course. And to finish it off, I'd like to share with you one final resource that I think every developer should know about when it comes to audio. You know, sound and audio engineering is a full-time career, and just like 3D or animation or programming or texturing or environment, it has no end. It can go as deep as you are willing to put time into it. And that being said, something that I've learned personally the hard way is, while knowing how to create your own sound effects is extremely useful and important, something else that you need to remember is, in reality, you don't have time to spend 100% of your time making sounds. Players will find bugs and glitches, new environments and maps will need to be created, bosses will need to be programmed. There are just so many other parts of the game that are going to demand your attention, and practically speaking, you probably won't have the time to make all the sounds yourself. And in those dark times, if you have a little cash lying around, asoundeffect.com is going to be your lifeline for getting the sounds you need at the speed you need them. This is not a sponsored video, but I have used this website for pretty much my entire life, and it has never let me down. It's a professional sound website, so it's a little pricey. For example, $99 will get you 450 sounds, which feels like a lot of money. But if you compare it to the amount of time that it would take you to make these sound effects yourself at this quality, then this is a bargain. The prices are absolutely worth it. But what I really like about this site is it just makes it so easy to find exactly what you need. Like for my first game, I was making a sci-fi battle game, and I was like, if only I could find a bunch of nice futuristic weapons noises, you know, like Halo style or Star Trek or something, you know? And I just started typing some keywords in, and it was like, oh, do you mean like futuristic weapons pack 1 and 2? And I thought, yeah, that sounds kind of promising. Let's hear the trailer. And you're like, yes, that is exactly what I was looking for. And then you're like, but I have a lot of lasers and electrical weapons in my game, so I probably need more energy type sound effects. And then the website brings you this sound pack called Lethal Energies. And you listen to the trailer. Yes, that is what I'm looking for. Or sometimes it's even more abstract. You're like, I have a heavy projectile that is like whooshing through the air, and then it makes a heavy impact. And then you type those words into the site, and it comes back and says, you sound like you are interested in Whooshes and Impacts Volume 1, 2, and 3. And you listen to it. And once again, it is exactly what you were hoping for. I am telling you, I don't know what it is, but shopping for audio is like the most pleasant shopping experience you will ever have in your entire life. Like, the sound engineers here, I'm not even joking, they can just straight up read your mind, and they bring you exactly what you're thinking every time. And each pack usually gives you hundreds of awesome AAA level quality sounds that will literally last you your entire lifetime. I bought my sounds from this website about 14 years ago, and I still use all of these sounds today. So if you're short on time, but you don't want to sacrifice audio quality, asoundeffect.com, I am telling you, this is my favorite site for audio. Check it out if you are feeling crunched for time. Alright, well, with that being said, this concludes the audio and sound engineering series. I'll leave a link to the entire playlist in the pinned comment. And I know this goes without saying, but these series take an insane amount of time and planning to create, and they usually don't get a lot of views. I really just make them because I believe the skills contained in these videos changed my life and were pivotal in my journey to learning to become a game developer. And I really just feel like they could become a pivotal part of your journey as well. The only reason I'm able to keep making these kind of series is because we have incredible monthly members and patrons who support the show. If it wasn't for them, there's no way I'd be able to keep doing this. So thank you so much for watching. If you feel like you got something positive out of the series and you would like to support a little, please consider signing up as a member. All of my courses are free, so you only pay if and only if you feel like you actually got something from it. We really just kind of operate on an honor code here. So thank you for your time. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.